Good morning, first graders. We are on Theme 6, Week 1, Day 4 of your KAM Blueprints. The story for the week, The Sleeping Pig. Theme concept, real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy, to summarize, means to say what happened in a story in your own words, in the beginning, middle, and end. Skill, story structure, phonemic awareness. Today I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to blend them together to say the word out loud. Here we go. First word has 4 sounds. P, L, A, T. Word, plate. Good job. Next word, S, Oi, L. Word, soil. Good. Next one, 3 sounds again. T, A, K. Word, H, I, K. Word. And last one, P, L, A. Word. Okay, here we go. Letter names. Letter, 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 letter. Okay, irregular word review. My turn word, give. G-I-V-E. Give. Your turn word, spell give, and word. My turn word, good. G-O-O-D. Good. Your turn word, spell good. My turn word, her. H-E-R. Her. Your turn word, spell her, and word. My turn word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Your turn word, spell little, and word. My turn word, try. T-R-Y. Try. Your turn word, spell try, and word. My turn word, was. W-A-S. Was. Your turn word, spell was, and word. My turn word, fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Your turn word, spell fly, and word. My turn word, hour. O-U-R. Hour. Your turn word, spell hour, and word. My turn word, watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Your turn word, spell watermelon, and word. Okay, let's move on to letter sound. So again, when I say sound, The pause is for you to say the sound out loud. Sound. 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 Okay, we're on day 4. I'll blend the first word with you. Sound. K. Ooh, it's that C, but let's find out what sound it's going to make depending on the vowel after it. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's an A. That means we made the right sound. It makes the K, that hard C sound. So K, sound, A, blend, K, sound, blend, came, word, came. Good job. Okay, next one you're going to read and blend without me. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. That's right, just. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Did you say can? Sound, sound, blend. That E is going to make that O, say that long O sound. Sound, blend, word. That's right, woke. Sound, cr. Sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. That's right, cricket. So first syllable is crick, second syllable it, blend, cricket. You rock. Great job, first graders.